Munnar, a picturesque paradise nestled amidst the misty hills of Kerala, India. Here, amidst the serene beauty of the Western Ghats, lies one of the world's most renowned tea-growing regions, the Munnar tea plantations. For centuries, these verdant slopes have been cultivated with care, preserving age-old traditions passed down through generations. Rows upon rows of tea bushes adorn the rolling hills, their vibrant green leaves swaying gently in the breeze, a sight to behold. From the moment the tender leaves are plucked to the final cup poured, each step in the journey is a testament to the dedication and skill of those who tend to these precious plants. Join us on a sensory adventure as we explore the diverse flavors and exquisite nuances that Munnar's tea plantations have to offer. From robust black teas to delicate green teas, each sip tells a story of craftsmanship, passion, and the bountiful gifts of nature. Munnar, a place where nature's bounty and human ingenuity intertwine, creating a tapestry of flavors that captivates the senses and nourishes the soul. As the sun rises over the tea-covered hills, casting a golden glow over the landscape, the bustling activity of the tea plantations begins. Skilled hands delicately pluck the tender leaves, ensuring that only the finest specimens are selected for processing. This labor of love is a daily ritual, a harmonious dance with nature that has sustained the livelihoods of generations of tea workers in Munnar. The journey of Munnar's tea doesn't end in the fields. In traditional factories nestled amidst the hills, the freshly plucked leaves undergo a meticulous transformation. From withering and rolling to fermenting and drying, each stage of the process is carefully overseen, resulting in teas of unparalleled quality and flavor. With every sip, one can taste the essence of Munnar, the rich heritage, the pristine landscapes, and the unwavering dedication of those who call this enchanting land home. Thank you all for watching and subscribing to my channel.